Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a copy of Google Slides, a super simple trick that can save you a ton of time and keep your presentations organized. Whether you want a backup or need to create multiple versions, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, head over to Google Slides by opening your browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner. If not, just enter your login details to get started. Once you're in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can access all your existing presentations or start a new one. To start fresh, click on Blank Presentation or pick one of the templates if you want a ready-made layout. Now, open the presentation you want to duplicate. At the top left corner, click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Make a Copy. You'll see a few options. You can copy the entire presentation or just specific slides. For this guide, we'll choose Entire Presentation. A dialog box will pop up allowing you to rename your copy and choose where to save it in Google Drive. Renaming is optional but helpful if you're managing multiple files. Once you've made your selections, click OK. And just like that, your Google Slides presentation has been duplicated. You'll now see the copy in your Google Drive ready to edit independently of the original. This method is perfect for backups, testing new ideas, or creating multiple versions without touching your original work. That's it. Making a copy of Google Slides is that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.